What's good, y'all? It's your man Mo, 2 verts. This it is. It's 6:02 in the morning, February 17th, the great snowstorm of 2022. Now, I don't know what I was thinking, but I drove the Honda yesterday and just parked it in the front of the driveway, knowing the snow was coming and that I need my truck. I think I'm gonna have to just drive through this space right here, through my neighbor's yard. Look at this. Look at this snow though. Up to here, it's about 9-10 inches. Now I moved the Honda, it moved pretty good. Well, I don't think it'll move like that all the way to work. I should just call off on their ass. Got my little beater out here, man. A little 91 Accord. Old reliable. This is ridiculous. Whew. Now we're getting some wind. Socks all wet. Let's see what big boy do here. Like this. Oh, snap. Set and tray back there buried. Look at that. Oh, that's snow. Let's see what happens. Wish me luck.